So in this question, it has been given that there is a raindrop of mass 1 gram which is falling from a height of 1 kilometer, and it hits the ground with a speed of 50 meter per second. And we have to find work done by gravitational force and resistive force. So this is your raindrop. I can assume to be of mass 1 gram, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kg, and it is falling through height of 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. And before hitting ground, its velocity is given to be 50 meter per second. So this is the question. And now we have to find work done by gravity and work done by resistive force. So work done by gravity is straightforward. We know gravitational force, which is mg, and it is acting in downward direction. And what is that force? It is m. Instead of m, I am writing 10 to the power minus 3. This is m. And value of g is 10. So this is mg. And distance is 1000 meters. So force is mg. This is force, gravitational force. And it is acting in downward direction throughout distance of 100,000 meters. So this has been written here. So it comes out to be 10 joules. So work done by gravity is 10 joules. Now see, I don't know nature of this resistive. In the question also, they haven't mentioned the nature of this resistive force, whether it is constant or variable. So I am planning to apply work energy theorem. According to work energy theorem, work done by all the forces will be equal to change in kinetic energy. Work done by all the forces on what? In present case, it should be raindrop. Work done by all the forces on raindrop should be equal to change in kinetic energy of raindrop. So work done by all the forces on raindrop and change in kinetic energy of raindrop. So what is work done by all the forces? I know work done by gravity plus work done by resistive force. This should be equal to change in kinetic energy of raindrop. Because only two forces are acting on this raindrop. One is gravitational force, whose work we have calculated. It comes out to be 10 joules. And other is resistive force, that is air resistance. And that should be equal to change in kinetic energy of raindrop. Initially, that raindrop was released, so I can say initial kinetic energy is zero. So initial kinetic energy is zero. And then we have to find final kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy is half. Mass is 10 to the power minus 3. And finally, it was moving with speed 50 meter per second. So that is 50 square. So this is 10 joule plus the required work will be equal to half 10 to the power minus 3 into 2500. So it comes out to be 2.5 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.25, plus work done by resistive force is 10 joules. So from here, we can find work done by resistive force comes out to be 1.25 minus 10, it should come out to be minus 8.75 joules, right? And why negative? Because this body is moving in downward direction and resistive force should act opposite to direction of motion of that particle. So it should act in upward direction. So obviously work done will be negative because force and displacement are in opposite direction. So work done by resistive force is negative. So one answer is 10, another is minus 8.75. So one is 10, another is minus 8.75. So option C is correct. So answer is C.